Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add a blog post in Hostinger. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, log into your Hostinger account and navigate to HPanel section. Once here, navigate to the Websites section. Here you'll find the option to edit your website, which will open the Builder Editor. Once you're inside the Builder Editor, focus on the left sidebar and click on their dots to open menu. From this menu, select Blog option. If you haven't started a blog yet, don't worry. Just click on Start a Blog. Now that the foundation is set, it's time to create a new blog post. With the blog panel open on the left side, click Add New Post, which takes you to the blog editor interface, your creative playground. Once you add your blog post, simply click on Edit Blog Header. Here you will find different sections to customize your blog post. In the Style section, you can adjust the text size, text color, description, and more. In the Layout section, you can choose the position of your blog header. And in the Background section, you can change the image, video, and other background elements. Once you're done with all your changes, simply go back. Once you're happy with your draft, click on Draft option at the top to publish it. The system autosaves as well, which is incredibly helpful. Next, open Post Settings near Publish option, where several tabs await your adjustments. In general, you can update the title, refine the description, adjust the URL slug, assign the author, or even schedule the post for a future publication time. The Featured Image tab lets you upload or choose an eye-catching cover image to attract more readers. Under Categories, you can assign your post to one or multiple categories. Finally, once everything looks exactly how you want, click Go Live in the top right corner to publish your work, and that's it. So that is how you can add a blog post in Hostinger. So that's all for this video. Thanks.